If you're over 50 years old or over 60 like me, and you are looking for simple, effective exercises that you can do on a daily basis to strengthen your legs, then this video is for you. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Yes, I am now over 60 years old, but I have to tell you, having strong legs at every age is very important because these things right here support your body weight, which means that your balance, your coordination, your walking, standing, running, sit, stand is all impacted by the strength of your legs. So today's workout is 5 simple exercises, each one 45 seconds in duration. Is something that you can do on a daily basis to strengthen the very thing that supports your body weight. So you guys, without further ado, let's get right into these 5 exercises starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this first exercise, you guys, we are going to simulate a sit to stand, and it's a 4 count. So it's a slow movement. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent work. All right, the next one is some calf raises. And it's a slow, controlled movement. So when we get to the top, just pause and then bring it down. And of course, at any time, if you need something to support you, a chair or a wall, keep those close by. But as you continue to do these on the daily, you will find that you need them less and less. And remember to keep these abdominal muscles engaged throughout all of these exercises. Last one, you guys. Okay. The next one is a one-legged dip. Okay. The reason why this is important is because we have a tendency to be stronger on one side than the other. So the focus is going to be putting the weight on, in this case, our right leg. And this definitely challenges our balance. Almost there. Give me one more strong one. Okay. Okay, you guys. What we did on the right, we're going to repeat on the left. And of course, if you also need to start off with just your toe on the non-supporting leg, just slightly on the floor to help with the balance, you can do that too. But the emphasis definitely needs to be on the weight-bearing leg. And where are those abs? That's right, they're in. And the wobble is normal. Because it's not something that we do every day, you guys. You don't walk on one leg. Or stand on one leg, for that matter. We are balanced people. All right. Excellent work. The next one is a squat with a lateral lift, right and left. Last one, you guys. Nice work. 5 simple, effective exercises that you can do anywhere on the daily to strengthen these legs, to improve your quality of life. Thank you guys so very much for being here. And remember, if you enjoy this exercise segment, give this video a like and share. And please do share it with anyone that you feel benefit from my videos. And you guys remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you here real soon. Thanks, you guys.